Hi there, my name is Blessings Onjiku and I will be representing Team Doreen to present our solution that is Subleech for the IBM Bob Hackathon. Now, we realize one problem that is very frequent in Kenyans, Africans, and basically humans at large. That is the aspect of people losing money in the aspect of subscriptions. What do I mean? People usually think they have 2 to 3 subscriptions, that's maybe Netflix or Spotify, but they forget so many other aspects. In the aspect where you may have subscribed for something and they end up charging you, but you didn't know. They're called zombie subscriptions. Or number two, silent price hikes. So you thought you're paying $5, right? But then it hikes to $5.50. It looks little until it's not because they're going to constantly keep on adding this. Now, then the number three, that is no easy fix. So you think you're going to tell them to cut or to try and negotiate, but it becomes a long process and eventually people usually give. We saw this problem and we realized there's a solution that we can give. So Subleech has three major layers, that is uploading a CSV in the aspect of a bank statement. Number two, and the AI detection layer. What it does is that the pattern engine that we have created, finds recurring charges, calculates frequencies, and flags these price changes automatically. Then there's number three, the IBM Granite. We use IBM Granite to create three major agents. I shall explain more. What it does is it gives you a cancellation or a negotiation layer to really help out in you getting to that point where you can actually get your money back or the right amount should be paid. And it cuts out the whole aspect of friction when it gets to the negotiation. And two, it also gives you the right documents that you might need to really back up your case. Now, this is how our front end looks like. I will give you a QR code for you to scan on it. These are the three agents that we've built and deployed on IBM Watson. There is the negotiation script, the cancellation letter agent, and ask orchestrate. This is the cancellation letter agent. This is the letters that you can get. So it generates the letter for you and you can also fix it up according to what you think is best, and the consumer rights language are included. Readability score is shown, and it is powered by IBM Granite LLM. So we use IBM Bob in creating our code for four major aspects: security review, code generation, creating the three agents using Watson, Granite LLM, and test suite to ensure that everything works perfectly. So IBM Bob became our code developer. This is our tech stack. And yes, we do realize that there are many solutions just like this ones. But this is why we are unique. We are unique in the aspect where most products just tell you that these are your subscriptions. They break it down for you. But what they don't really tell you is those silent subscriptions, which is what we have. They don't give you a what next. Okay, yes, your money is getting lost. What next? We give you a vortex. What next? We help you ensure that you get your money by giving you these letters, by giving you the right documents. Because remember, if you don't give out the right documents, then you're not really going to get a strong case back, or they're just going to send you a rejection letter. But we ensure that we get you fully backed. Our product is not just B2C, it's B2B, because remember, millions and millions of companies out here are losing money based on subscriptions that they never even signed up for, or they forgot they signed up for. But using our product, we ensure that they can know what they subscribed for, they can know how much is going there, and they can get to understand their rights, and then afterwards we help them try and get their money back or try and level the ground up for them. So this was my team. Doreen is our lead, Anthony is our AI engineer, Gloria was our front-end developer, and I was the DevOps engineer. And we've worked together to bring this solution to life and ensure that we're not just copy-pasting what is currently there. We're building something different based on problems that we have already seen. Thank you so much for this opportunity. I pray and hope for a different opportunity for us to just make this better. This is our GitHub link at the bottom, and we have shared our deployment link. Thank you again.